Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create a professional personal blog or news website using a free theme that can be editable with the Elementor builder. You can see this is the theme we are going to use. You can see the nicely it's displaying the blog items. On the left side you can see the blog post, on the right side you can see the personal details. So there are three versions available. This is the first version. You can see the second version here with two column posts. The third version that is like this, featured posts appear like this, and there are three column posts without sidebar. It's nicely displaying, and customers can go through the categories one by one. It's very nice display. So you can make them in a different pages, and also the categorically you can arrange the posts. Once the customers collect one, click one category, they can see the category post. This category post also you can arrange with the different layouts. And about page, it describe the about us details. And the contact page, you can see the location map, Google map with the contact us form. Also in the right side there's a booking form, so you can delete unnecessary items. And also there are Ajax live search. So once the customers come back to the home, when they search any word, it will automatically give the suggestions. For example, like that, the Ajax search is appearing. And also on the right side there's a want to partnership with me, book a call. You can arrange an appointment booking system also. So it's a very nice website that is available for free, that is fully editable using Elementor. So let's see how to install, import demo data, and how to fully customize this theme. Before installing any theme, you had to have a domain name, hosting, SSL certificate, and WordPress installed. So there are several tutorials in our channel. You can see how to get free or paid domains, or free and paid hosting, and free SSL with WordPress. So once you're done, you can go to the WordPress dashboard. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, click Appearance, then click Themes. On the themes, click Add New Theme. Here we are going to install the free theme called Royal Elementor Kit. It's the best alternative for the Astra theme. Here you can see the Royal Elementor Kit. Click Install, then click Activate. Okay, once you activate, it will ask you to get started with templates kits. So let's click this one. It will install the templates kit library. Then click Allow and Continue. Okay, now you can see several Royal Elementor templates kits. So it's a mixed between the premium and free versions are there. So let's select the free version only. So here let's select free. So there are several free templates available. One of the best free template for the blog post. So let's search only for the blog type themes. Okay, once you click, you can see there are 5 blog post themes available. This is the first one, personal blog v4, and this one is the personal blog v3 with the slider also available, and the personal blog version 2, and travel blog, and the travel blog the influencer. So we are going to install one of the best theme available in this Royal Elementor Kit, that's the personal blog vsi 3. So let's click this one. So if you want to see the demo, you can preview the demo. As I explained in the start of the tutorial, there are so many facilities available with this theme. Is also the live Ajax search also. So without wasting time, let's import the templates kit. So click this import templates kit, click OK. Okay, it will import the template kits. It depends on the internet speed and your hosting speed. Okay, once it's completed, it will show import was successful. So import finished, visit site. So once you click visit site, you can see all the demo contents have been imported. So let's edit this template. So before editing, you have to observe this is my website demo.webias.com. But once you click this home page, you can see it's redirect you to the official developers website, that is demo sites Royal Elementor. So how to avoid this and how to rearrange this menu item. So that is the first step we are going to do. So let's go back to your WordPress dashboard. Here go to appearance and click menus. Here you go down. So the menu name is main menu. So the main menu is automatically selected. But what is happened to your home page is the home page is displayed as a custom menu. That is not a real home page is appearing. So you can delete this one. This custom link you can delete. So remove this one, and also blog layout you can't remove. So the version 1, 2, 3 are appearing here, and categories will keep as it is, and the contact and other things we can keep as it is, and save the menu. Okay, then go to the customize. So go to this customize. Here go to home page settings. Click this home page settings. Here you can select the home page to display. By default it select the latest posts, but you can select a static page. So click this static page. So here you can select what is the home page you want to display. So here you can see in the home version 2, 3 and 4 available with the about and contact page. So let's go back to your Wordpress version 4, I think version 4, and publish. Let's refresh. Okay, this is the version we are going to display. That is the home page. Okay, let's come back to the main menu. Here we have selected this version 3 as a front page. So let's move this version 3 into the top one, and here you can rename it as a home. So let's select this one. Here in the navigation label you can give the name as home, and you can save the menu. Similarly to the version 1 and 2, you can give other name like travel, and version 2 like fashion. So depending on the category of post you are having, you can name them. And let's save menu. So let's come back to your main website and refresh it. Okay, now you can see the home, travel, fashion and categories are there, about and contact. So once the customer click the home, it display the home page. Okay, now let's one by one edit the front page content. Okay, first let's edit this header bar. To edit header bar, you can reach in two ways. Once you can click this customize, and you can go back, and with the WordPress dashboard you can access, or else you can directly access through edit with Elementor. So once you hover on your mouse, you can see edit with Elementor, OffCanvas, personal blog v3 header. That's the header here, and the personal blog v3 footer is on the down and the right sidebar. So those kind things you can edit one by one. Okay, let's edit the header bar. So click this personal blog v3 header, click skip. Okay, now it display the header only. Once you move around the mouse, you can see the editable box is appearing. So this is a 3-column one. There are 3 columns. On the first column we have displayed the social media icons, second column is the logo, and the third column is the search and the other bar. So you can rearrange this column items. So once you click these 3 dots, you can see the layout is a box layout. Let's keep it simple, just keep as it is. When you click the social media icons, you can see on the left side the social icons are appearing here. If you want to remove any item, you just click this cross icon, so it will be removed. Or if you want to add any item, you can just click here and you can search any items. You can put any logo from the icon library. Once you click this icon library, you can reach the icon library like this YouTube and click insert. So the YouTube logo is added, and you can paste your URL of your YouTube website. So this is the URL of my YouTube channel. So I copy this one and come back and paste here. And on the settings, you can arrange open in new window. So once the customers click this logo, it will open in a new window, or else you can open it in the same window. But it's better to have it open in the new window. So like that for the other icons, social media icons, once you click this Facebook, you can see you can add the link of your Facebook page. Similarly, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, all kind of things you can add. Once you added, you can click publish. So let's come back to the website. So once you click this YouTube logo, you can see it will open in a new tab of your YouTube channel. Okay, let's come back to the editing of the header, and you can edit this logo. So once you click this pen icon, it will display the logo in the left side. You can see it's the image and the retina image. So you can change image in the retina image. So click choose image. Here you can select any image from the media library, or else you can upload your logo. It's very easy. Similarly, you can change the retina image also. So once you're done, you can save it. On the Ajax search bar, also you can click this here. Here you can enable or disable the Ajax search. Ajax search means once the customers or 2 or 3 letters of their search word, it will automatically display the suggested words as I shown in the start of the tutorial. So it's a good user experience for the customer. So better to keep that. Other one is a edit off canvas content. So I will show you how to edit this in later part of the tutorial. So this is how you can edit the header part of the website. So once done, you can publish. Okay, once you edit the header, you can edit the footer as well. So this is the footer area. You can see footer area has the 4 columns. One is about, other one is tags, other one is recent post, other one is follow me. So how to edit this footer part? Again, you go to edit with Elementor, just move over on your mouse and you can see personal blog v3 footer. So when you click that one, so footer area not only have this bottom part, but also it having this 2 column as well. There's one is the trending post, other one is the hot news. Okay, let's edit this first part also. So let's click this pen icon. Here the title is the trending post. So if you want to change this, you can change the trending title. And when you click this pen icon, here you can see magazine grid slider. So here you can select some categories if you want. You can select the categories of posts to display here. If you keep it blank, it will show the latest posts or the most visited posts by the customers. And if you want to exclude some post, you can give the name of the post to exclude. The current query and related queries are a pro feature, so you can't do with the free one. So that is the trending post. Similarly, on the hot news, you can click this pen icon. You can directly edit here as well. You can see you can directly here edit as well, or else you can edit in the left side also. And on the other one, you can see it also showing the posts by date and other categories. So selection is dynamic, it's automatically select, or else you can select manually. So those kind of things. So if you don't want to keep these two in the footer area, you can just delete this section. So let's move on down. So on the bottom there are 4 columns available, one for about, other one for tags, other one is recent post and follow me. So if you want to edit this about, you can edit directly or from the left side. Also the about content you can edit here as well. On the tags, so my advice is don't keep tabs in the footer. So let's delete this column and let's keep as 3 columns. Other one is the recent post. You can see recent post is appearing here, and you can edit the recent post. It's a dynamic selection. And the follow me we have done in the top as well. So similarly you can do here as well. You can add your YouTube link as well as done earlier. So let's delete this tag column. So click this column icon and click delete. Now you can see tags column is deleted. You can now have the about, recent post and follow. So if you want to add another column, you can add also. On the bottom you can see created with Elementor add-ons. Let's click this pen icon. So you can add it. So you can keep this copyright as 2024 and you can edit. So I am edit this as quick WordPress website and I can give link to my website. Okay, this is the website I have, webias.com. So let's copy this one and come back here. You just select this text and click this link. This is the edit or insert link. Click here. Here you can paste your URL. So just paste it, just click enter. So now the Click WordPress website is, once the customers click, it will redirect to the website you have provided. So let's publish. Let's open this website and see. So this is the header part. On the bottom footer, you can have about, recent posts and follow me. On the bottom 2024 credit and credit to quick WordPress websites. When the customers click, it will open the main website. Okay, now we have edited the header and the footer. Let's edit the home page contents and the right sidebar. So for that, you have to go to the edit with Elementor. Just click edit with Elementor directly. Now you can see the header part is not editable. That can be edited in a different way as shown earlier. So let's go down. And here you can see on the first featured post part is editable. On the down you can see the main post and the right sided bar is edit. Okay, let's edit this featured post or featured slider area. So here you can click this pen icon. Once you click, it is edit magazine grid or slider. So this is the magazine grid. So here the source are the posts. So you can select current query or related query, but those are pro features, and the selection is dynamic. Here you can manually select the contents you want to display, or else you can select categories. So these are the categories of posts available. So you can select a particular category to display here, but that is not advisable because you want to display the different varieties of categories in the front page. So to manually select the featured post and display here, you have to go to the selections and the dynamic, click here, and you can select it as manual. So on the manual way, you can go down. Here you can select the post you are preferring. So it will display all the posts available in your website. So here you can select a featured post or the post you want to highlight in the top bar. So let's click this one, reflection blessing. Let's click here, and this travel, you can select this one. So same like you can select any 5 posts you want to highlight in the featured post area. So just click here. Let's select this one. Let's select another one. Similarly, you can manually select the preferred features posts you want to display in the first featured post area. So this is how you can display here, and the randomized query is a pro feature. And if you want to edit the layout elements, you can edit. So this is the layout we are using. If you this is 5 post one, if the main post is a longer one, others are equal size. So if you want to rearrange like this, you can see you can rearrange like this or like this, you can do, but that is not nice. Okay, there are several options you can select to display your post. And some other features are pro features you can do. And container height, you can increase or decrease the height of this container. If you want to learn something more, you can play around with these. And the style, you can give border with border color, media overlay. So those kind of things you can do. So once you're done, click publish. Okay, now that part is published. Let's go down to this area. This is the main post display area. So once you click this pen icon, you can reach the edit post grid slide or carousel. So here you can see the post source is the post. So it will display the post is a dynamic selection order by date. So latest post will be displayed on the top, followed by the other post. Like that it will display. So you can see the dynamics, so no need to change anything. So those one you don't need to change anything. So here you can see the items per page is 9. So if you want, you can increase the number of posts, but better to keep less than 10. And if you want to exclude some posts, you can put here, but no need those kind of things. And the layout, media overlay, those kind of things you can edit. This part is very important, pagination. I'll show you. Okay, numbers per page you can increase or decrease 8 to 10. So let's keep as 8. And very important is the pagination. I'll show you what is pagination mean. Once you go back to your main website, you can see, you can go down. You can see more posts. So it shows see more posts. That's the pagination. So when the customers click the see more post, it will load, and again you can see it will load the other posts available. So let's go back. So that's the pagination. You can see in this pagination, you can select type, load more button. The numbered is a pro feature, so load more button is available, so you can use it. And then select animation, you can keep the animation when the load more items are loading. There are so many animations available, you can select. So it's easy to display the post. Main posts, so the main posts are displayed by latest post on coming first basis. Okay, let's edit the right sided bar. So once you go there, it will show you edit template. So this is a right sided bar template. So once you edit this template, it will affect the older pages. There the right side bar is displayed, but depending on the pages, you can edit, increase or decrease the right sided bar contents. So I am decreasing the contents on the contact us page, so I'll show you in the later part of this tutorial. So let's click this pen icon. So this is for right sided bar. So before that, let's publish. Okay, let's come back to a website. Again, go to this edit with Elementor. So on the top, similarly like header and footer, you also can edit this right sidebar. So click this one. Now the right side bar is displaying here. So you can edit this right sided bar contents. So first it's showing the bio of you, short bio of you. So this is the name, so you can edit this name. And the image, you can see the image is editable. It's a rounded image, so you can upload your image and it will automatically select it as a rounded image. and this part also just editable is edit head, and this is the subheading you can edit, and the content also you can edit on the left side or directly you can edit. And the social media items, this is your personal details, so you can edit your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever you can put and you can edit. On the down, this follow us on page, Facebook, Instagram. So here you have to put your Instagram token, that's the access token here. So in a different tutorial we have displaying how to create access token from Instagram and paste here, so you can watch in the description. And the recent post, so this part is displaying the recent post. So once you click this pen icon, it will automatically post, that's a dynamic ordered by date, so the recent posts will appear here. And it is a promo box, so you can put any advertisements here. So once you click this pen icon, okay, here you can put any promotions or advertisements of your sponsors. So once you click this pen icon, you can have a cover style or classic is a pro feature, so you can have the cover style. And here you can upload any image pieces, you can show the full image, or else you can select the sizes to display. And the content, so here this is the title can be edited here as well. And the title size is h3, so you can size of the title, the title description here that is displayed here. And here you can give the advertisers link here. With the link you can put the button text, contact us. Or so if you don't want to have this advertisement box, you just click this pen icon, right click, and you can delete it. And here this is the subscribe box, that is the MailChimp box. So we have another tutorial on how to create MailChimp account and how to add MailChimp API key to get subscribers. So that is in the description, so see the description. So if you don't want, you can just delete this box. And the categories is a nice one to have on the right sidebar. So here it will show the number of posts available in categories. So the beauty category, lifestyle, photography, travel. So all the categories will be displayed with the number of posts. So you can click here, and you can if any categories don't have the post, so you can hide the empty category, or else you can display that one also. And if you want to display the text, you can select text, so that is in the other part. So if you're selling products, you can select this product category, so those kind of things you can do. And also show count, so here you can display the number of posts available on each categories. If you don't want to show, you can just click this one, so it will not show the number of posts. And here open in new page, so if the customers click this links, it will open in a new page. So if you want the customer to open in the same page, you just disable it. So like that you can edit. Similarly, tags, so I'll show you in the post section how to create these tags. So here you can give heading as tags, and this part is select the taxonomy, it is selected as tags. If you click select as category, it will show the category. But here we are showing the tags. So similarly, similar to the category, you can edit this part as well. So this is how you can edit the right sidebar. So if you click this arrow, you can see this is save as template. So once you click, you can give a name to this template and you can save it. So for the moment, let's publish. Okay, now we have edited the home page. Let's edit other pages. So other pages we have created as categories of post we have. So that is travel, profession. You can put as the separate menus, or else you can create a mega menu of categories, and here you can display travel, those kind of things. So for the learning purpose, I am demonstrating both ways. So you can select your preferred one, then about and contact us page. So let's click this travel page. So this is not the front page, so you can remove this one, and here you can display only the post related to travel. So how to do? So again, edit with Elementor. If you don't want this section on each and every page, you can just delete, or else you can keep. So first I'll show you how to edit this one. Just click this pen icon. Here you can select any dynamic post as we done earlier in the front page. You can manually select the post you want to display. Slideshow is maximum is 4. More than 4 slides are available in the pro version, so maximum 4 slides you can show. So those kind of things you can keep. So if you don't want this in the second page, this one you just delete this part, so it's that part is deleted. So here this is the travel page, so you only want to show the travel related posts here. So let's edit this pen icon. This is post. So in the post, go down, In the categories, you click here, you can select the travel. So what will happen is the travel related post, whatever post marked the category as travel will be displayed here. So the post will be displayed as dynamic way, that with the ordered by date. So latest post will appear on the top, other post will appear on the bottom. So this is the travel page. So we have selected the travel categories only. So let's publish one. Similarly, let's go to the fashions page. Let's go back to the website and let's go to the fashion. So one thing we have to notice that when you click any page, it will show the page ID with the number. So this is not recommended way of displaying content. Similarly, when you click this post, let me show you. So when you click this post, it will only show the post number. So how to avoid this or how to edit this? For that, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the settings, click permalinks. Go to the dashboard, click settings, click permalinks. So in the permalinks, it is by default selected plain. So plain is just showing the number of page. That is not recommended way of for the search engine optimization. So better to have this one. Post name like sample post or the name of the post or page is appear. That's a better way. So better to have this post name. That's a good way of displaying. So let's click save changes. Let's come back. So let's click this page. Now you can see the page link is appear. Here the page link we have given is home v3. So if you want, you can go to the menus and edit this one as fashion. So when you go to lifestyle, it's a different kind of a home page item. Here you can see 3 columns of item with selectable options. So you can use this as it is, or else if you want to keep this lifestyle as this travel, you can duplicate this travel page and you can rename it with the lifestyle and you can select the contents for lifestyle. So how to duplicate a page, I'm giving the small video link on the description, you can see it. So like that you can do. So let's come this mega menu, that is category menu. So once the customers click this lifestyle in the category menu, here you can see the lifestyle category items are displaying here. So let's see how to edit this one. For that, you have to go to the WordPress dashboard, go to appearance and click menu. So here you can see the categories is a custom link with the mega menu option available. So once you click mega menu, it will show enable mega menu is already enabled with other items available here. So if you want to edit mega menu content, you can click edit with Elementor. So if you have Elementor Pro, it's very easy to edit, but it's a paid one. So if in case if you have, you can install it and you can do it. So here you can see once you click this one, you can select the layout, and once you click, you can change the title and the icons. Here you can see you can select the icon here and you can put. So those kind of things we can. So these 4 categories already available are displayed here. As you go back, this is how you can edit this category items. You can see the categories are here, all the categories are selected and it's displaying here. That is a mega menu. So if you want to keep that mega menu category, you can keep that. Okay, this much of time we have categorized posts into different categories. So let's see where the posts are available and how to create categories and featured posts. So for that you can go to the posts and click this all posts. Here you can see there are 17 posts available. So these are the demo posts. So you can replace them with your own contents. So to add own contents, you can click this add new post and you can add post. So if you want to edit any available post, just click this edit icon. You can edit with directly with the Gutenberg editor of WordPress, or else you can edit with Elementor. Both ways you can do. So back to Elementor editor, click continue. So this is the Elementor editor. You can edit with Elementor editor, and here you can see the categories. So all the categories available in your website or you have created will be shown displayed here. So you can select any categories this post belong to. So if the post is belong to 2 categories, you can select 2: beauty, photography or lifestyle. This one you can remove. Like that you can select any categories. And if you want to add any tags, the tags are useful for the search engine optimization. You can add any tags like that. Once enter, it will create it. So like that you can add any tags and you can save. So let's come back. So I'll show you how to create the categories. Here you can see on the post there are all posts. You can create new posts and the categories you can see here. So the available categories are here. You can see beauty, lifestyle, photography, travel available and uncategorized. So if you want to add any category, you can add here, like fashion. You can put fashion. If you want add a slug, you can do the same as the slug, and you can add new category. Okay, when you create a new post, let's go to the old post. So let's open another post with editor. So here the fashion category also appearing. So if you want to add this post to fashion as well, you can select that one and save. So similarly, you can edit other posts. Let's come back. If you want to add a new post, let's click this new post. So here you can create a new post using the WordPress blog editor or else with the Elementor editor. So I am created a tutorial on how to create a post in the WordPress blog editor. It's very easy. I'll put in the description. You can see how to do that. Okay, let's come back to the next part, that is about us page. So let's click this about. You can see it displays about us page. On the top is the image with the description, with the titles, with the highlighted title, with the italics one. That's a like quote. So those kind of things are available. So let's click this edit page. Click edit with Elementor. Okay, here you can edit this image. So you can choose another image you want. This image box. And here this is the edit text editor. You can edit this text. And this is the heading. So you can add or remove this unnecessary items. This is another text editor with the highlighted text here. You can change any color of the text. Just select. You can select any text and you can bold them. You can italics. You can change the color. So those kind of things you can do that. And this is the quote text. So you can make a quote. So I have another tutorial how to edit this page or the post contents. You can watch that tutorial for the full. So this is how you can add the about us page. Once it's done, you can publish. Let's come to the final part of the tutorial, that is editing the contact us page. So let's click this contact. Here you can see the contact us page. So let's see how to edit this map and the contact us form. So click edit with Elementor. Let's go down and click this map area. So this is the main section, this is the inner section. Click this pen icon. So here you can see you have given the address of your location. This is how it is integrated. But get your Google Map API key in any Elementor's integration settings. But without going for the detailed integration settings or API key, you just can add the Google Maps in a HTML tag. So we have created another tutorial on how to create Google Maps link and put in the Elementor. So you just watch that video and you can do it easily. And let's go to the get in touch with us. Here you can edit this heading and the header description. And let's see how to edit this contact us form. Once you click this one, you can see there is email. So once you click this email, you can see the type is email, label is email. Maybe you can, if you want, you can give the placeholder, and it's a compulsory one. You can make it required. And also, I want to speak about. So here you can give the ID name, and here you can give the options. There are three options given. So one by one, you can give the options by entering the enter key. You can give the options. So when the customer clicks this arrow, they can select which one they are going to talk about. So you can use the options here, just typing it one by one. And the message box, you can edit the message box contents, and the button, that the submit button. So the button name is submit, or you can change this as senders, whatever way you can edit this. So those kind of things you can do, or else you can use other form builders. We have another tutorial on how to create a contact us form. You can watch that video as well. So like that you can create this contact us form. So once you go to settings, so here you can see the success message. So once the customers submit the form, they will get the following message as submission submitted. So if it is not submitted, they will get the message as submission failed. And the actions part, it is a MailChimp one. So you can see the MailChimp, that part. For the ease of use, I'd skip that part and go to this email. So to email. So here you can give your email. So once the customer submitted a form, that form will be sent to your email. So here you can give the subject to the email. So new message from the personal blog, or else you can give the website name like that. So those are the basic steps we have to do in a contact us form. For the detailed contact us form, please see the description for the detailed tutorial. So once it's done, you can publish. And before the conclusion, let's see how to edit this one. This is the want to partnership with me, book a code. So you can create a date, an appointment. So the customers create an appointment with you and they can send a message and book now. So how to edit this part? So this is a canvas. So once you go to edit with Elementor, you can see the off canvas. That is the section you have to edit. So let's click this off canvas. That is, yes, the heading. So you can edit this heading and this form builder. So this is also similar to the contact us form. Here you can see the date is there and time is there. So if you don't want the time, so just delete this one. So just customers can select the date. So if the date is available with you, you can contact the customers and send their message. So here, if you want to get the customer's phone number or the email address, you can put them as well. So at the item, here you can select the type, that is email. Type is email. So you can give the label as email, and you can make it as required, and you can move it to above the, and also message box. If you want, you can edit. And similarly, buttons, if you want to edit the button, you can edit, or else just keep like that. And here also you can give your email address. So messages from, so here you can put the subject as messages from booking, and you can put your email address here. Once it's done, you can publish. So again, go back to your website. Once you open this canvas, you can see the date, time, and the email also available here, so customers can book you. So this is a very amazing, a simple free website for the personal blog page. So if you have any queries, please leave us a comments. Please subscribe our channel and stay with us for the more tutorials. Thank you very much.